Good afternoon to all. Welcome to your online class of Standard 7, the section D, F, J, and H. Students, now we are continue on Unit 14. Unit 14, visualizing solids. हम लोग अभी विजुअलाइजिंग सॉलिड्स पे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. In previous class, we discussed about 2D object, 2D figure, and 3D figure. 2D, that means two-dimensional, and 3D means three-dimensional. First, I want to revise what do you mean by the term two-dimensional figure. The figure which can be drawn on plane or surface. The figure which can be drawn on the plane, figure of surface. As for example, this figure, that is triangle, a square, rectangle, circle, etc. These all are the 2D figure, that is two-dimensional figure, that we can easily drawn on plane or surface. This is called two-dimensional figure. And here is the three-dimensional figure of solid which cannot be represented on two-dimensional surface, on plane space पे हम लोग उसको सही से we cannot represent कर नहीं पाते हैं. Some examples of figure that related to 3D, that is the cone, this is fill inside, so this is called a sphere. This is called cone. Cylinder, cube, cuboid, cuboid, a figure that is shown the origin of triangle and we join it. This is called tetrahedron. So these all are the example of 2D figure and these all are the example of 3D figure that we taught on previous class. Here is the question that I want to discuss now. How many vertices? Question is that how many vertices edge and faces will a cuboid have? Will a cuboid have? What is the shape of its face? Second question from it. What is the face? What is the shape of its face? What is the shape? What is the shape of its face? Question is that how many vertices, edge and faces will a cuboid have? What is the shape of its faces? Students, after completing the this topic, we also discuss on the mean median mode that you have taught and study class. But first we have on today's topic. This is today's topic, and whenever it complete at last the क्लास के लास्ट टाइम में वार ग्राफ वाले चैप्टर में मीन मीडियन मोड का एक बार रिवाइज करेंगे. कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का कॉल आया था. Your doubt, if your doubt on mean median mode, then you wait till this topic completed. जब तक ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है थोड़ा वेट करें, वो भी मैं डिस्कस कर लूँगा. Now presently question is how many vertices, edges and faces will a cuboid have? What is the shape of its faces? To solution of this question, first we should draw a cuboid. इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हमको एक क्यूबॉइड का डायग्राम बनाना होगा. क्यूबॉइड का डायग्राम बनाने के लिए पहले हम एक रेक्टेंगल बनाते हैं एंड बिटवीन रेक्टेंगल अगेन ड्रॉ अदर रेक्टेंगल. We join as it is. This is the figure of cuboid. This is the figure of cuboid. Now you have to find number of vertices. So we write here number of vertices. Number of vertices. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number of vertices 8. Number of vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So number of vertices of cuboid is 8. Number of vertices of cuboid 8. You can count other cuboid objects. Number of vertices, this is the duster. Number of vertices 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the appropriate example to count the number of vertices of cuboid. Next, you will find edges. So we write here number of edges. Next, number of edges. Number of edges. What do you mean by the term edges of cuboid? This is the edges. आप देख रहे हैं ये डस्टर है क्यूबाइड शेप का, इसका ये एजेज है, किनारा. सो वी काउंट हियर 1 2 3 4. अदर साइड 5 6 7 8. ओके, 9 10 11 12. 1 2, this is 2 side, and 1 2, this is 2 side. 2 plus 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So we write number of edges of cuboid equal to 12. You can also count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we write here number of edges is equal to 12. Next, number of faces. Number of faces. फेसेज आप काउंट करके देखिए इसका फेस. दिस इज द 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो नंबर ऑफ फेसेज इज इक्वल टू 6. One, 2, 3, 4, and upper 5 and below 6. So we write here number of faces 6. And all the faces, your question again, what is the shape of its faces? इस क्यूबॉइड का जो भी फेस है यह किस शेप का है? All faces of cuboid is rectangle. So we write answer of this question. What is the shape of its faces? Shape of all faces. Shape of all faces of cuboid is rectangular. इसका जितना भी फेस है वो रेक्टेंगुलर. यहाँ हम एक बात आपको बताना चाह रहे हैं. नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेज, नंबर ऑफ एज एंड नंबर ऑफ फेसेज में एक फार्मूला है, ठीक है. वो फार्मूला से भी हम बिना काउंट किए, विदाउट काउंट, वी कैन फाइंड नंबर ऑफ vertices, number of edges and number of face. This formula is V plus F minus E equal to 2. Now you can try this formula to find this is right or wrong. आप वेरीफाई कर सकते हैं. V plus F minus E. Here V equal to number of vertices, that means 8, plus F, that means number of faces 6, minus E, that means number of edges 12. After solution, 8 plus 6 14 minus 12 equal to 2. Here is the 2. So this is most important formula related to it. V plus F minus E. V plus F minus E equal to 2. Now we should come on the question that have doubt of students in previous topic, that means the chapter statistics. Some students have to ask a question of chapter statistics to repeat the solution of mean, median and mode. That can students revise the topic again. Mean, median and mode. That can a student can revise. Question is that find the mean, median, mode of the following observation. Find mean, median and find the mean, median and mode of the following observation. Observation is 8, 7, 6, 5, 0, 3, 4, 3, 9, 6, 8, 8, 3, 8, 7, 3, 8, 7. That is number of observation. First we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Number of observation is 15. Question is that find mean, median and mode of the following observation. This observation is given here. To find the mean, first of all, to find the mean. All these terms we have completed, but for the revision, I want to discuss of all these 3 terms again. Some students have to ask to revise mean, median, mode again. So all of you observe here. Mean. To find the mean, first of all, we have to sum of all observation divided by number of observation. This is the formula to find the mean. Mean equal to sum of all observation, sum of all observation, OBS is the short form of observation, divided by number of observation, number of observation, sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Sum, we put the plus sign between all given observation. 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8 and at last plus 7. We should count the given observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and the sum of all observation divided by number of observation, that means 15. After sum, you will sum it in rough page and write we have to get 85. After summation of the given observation, we get 85. All of you try to sum of given observation. Divide by 15. Now we divide 85 by 15. We get 5.6. 5.6. How we find? 15, 5 ja 75. So we retain here 5. Remainder 10. 1 decimal. That means 15, 6 ja 90. So we put after 1 decimal plus 6, 5.6. After division, 85 divided by 15. So 5.6 approximate value of the mean of given observation. So all of you must revise to any other question to find mean. All of you should first sum of all observation divided by number of observation in this way. Then we come on second to find median. आइए इसको मिटाते हैं. नेक्स्ट इसी ऑब्जर्वेशन से मीडियन फाइंड करना है. ऑब्जर्वेशन इज द सेम, डाटा इज द सेम, बट वी हैव टू फाइंड नाउ मीडियन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट टू फाइंड मीडियन. Median. We have already know to find median in two cases. In first case is if the number of observation is odd, and other cases number of median is even. Here number of observation is odd, so we write only middlemost. But how we find middlemost? Then first we arrange the given observation in ascending order. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा? तो सबसे पहले जो डाटा दिया है उसको हम असेंड ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे. 0, 3, 3, again 3, because 3 is given 3 times, 1, 2 and here. So 0, 3, 3, 4, here is the 4, and next is 5, next is 6, 6 is given in 2 times, 1 time here and other is here. So 6 is given 2 times. Now 7 is given also 2 times, first time here and second time here. So we write 7, 7 twice. Next 8. Write here 8. Other 8 here. So we write 8 one time, 2 time, 3 time and 4 time. So we write here 4 times. 8, 8, 8, 8. Next number is 9. 9 is only one time or 2 time? Only one time. So we write here 9. We count all observation. It should be 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. This is in ascending order. This is in ascending order. To find median, first we arrange given observation in ascending order. Then we confirm the observation is either in odd, either in even. If the number of observation is odd, then we write middlemost. Median is middlemost. Middlemost observation. So we find middlemost. Middlemost is 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of observation is 15. So middlemost is 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 1, 2, इधर से एक कैंसिल करते हैं. इस तरीके से हम मिडिल मोस्ट भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बोथ साइडेड ऑब्जर्वेशन इज टिक्ड आउट. Only 6 is left. So middlemost observation equal to 6. That is the median of given observation. Here is the question: if observation is given in odd time, यदि odd time में दिया रहता, suppose that a number, any number given again 9, so all observation is 16, so middlemost observation is this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, middlemost is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If number of observation is odd time, then we find the mean of middlemost. That means 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 divided by 2. That means 13 by 2. That means 6.5. यदि इवेंट नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन इवन होता तब ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन और टाइम है, सो वी ओनली राइट मिडिल मोस्ट. ओके. नेक्स्ट, अदर इज मोड. माय नेक्स्ट टर्म, वी फाइंड मोड ऑफ द गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशन. गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशन का मोड फाइंड करना है. आइए देखते हैं कैसे मोड फाइंड करते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू रिकॉल द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोड. थर्ड, मोड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू recall the definition of mode. Mode is the value that maximum occur in observation. Mode means the value that maximum occur in the observation. Mode is the value that maximum observation in the given observation. Mode means most occur in given observation. Here 8 repeat 4 times. Here 8 repeat 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Here 8 repeats maximum times. Maximum times. So mode of given observation is 8. Mode of given observation is 8. All of you revise mean, median, mode by using other observation that have given in your book as example question, worksheet question, brain teaser question. All of you must solve all question that is from example, worksheet and brain teaser. If any doubt, then you will must ask again on next class. Okay, thanks.